How to pay for hotels in Agoda. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily pay for hotels in Agoda. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser, or if you have the application, just open it up. Then you're going to have to make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, enter your category and select the hotel that you want to book. After that, tap on the search icon and you'll get the hotels on your home screen. Tap on the hotel that you want to book, and then when you tap on the checkout button, and once you tap on the hotel, you'll have an option to book it. So just wait for it to load. And once the hotel is here, you can see the reviews and the offerings from the hotel. Now just tap on book or add to cart. Let's just add to cart here and then click on proceed to cart. And once you head over to your cart, tap on the checkout button, tap on next. And from here, what you're going to have to do is simply tap on the next for the final step to pay for the hotel. So all you have to do here is enter your payment details like your credit or debit card. And if you tap on this book now button, you will have to add the payment method here. Enter the card information like your card number, expiry date, CVC or CVV code, and then tap on book now. So once you've done that, you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.